I've been having dreams, jumping on a trampoline.
The new MacBook Pro. Supercharged by the M3 family of chips, the most advanced we've created for a laptop. With a phenomenal battery life that goes on. This is our most powerful laptop ever. This is MacBook Pro.
The new MacBook Pro combines the fundamental qualities of an ultra-portable device with uncompromising performance. With our new design, the product's overall volume has been reduced dramatically. This results in an extremely purposeful and powerful creative tool. It has the best Retina display we've ever put in a notebook. A precisely designed LED spectrum projects through a metal oxide backplane.
Nothing is harder than animation!
Yeah, but you're on a Mac, so...
How hard can it be?
The battery's still going.